Machine learning. Continuous learning in machine learning involves understanding algorithms, model training, and predictive analytics to build AI systems that can learn from data, make predictions, and automate decision-making processes. By acquiring machine learning skills, professionals can develop AI models, optimize algorithms, and implement AI solutions that enhance efficiency and performance in various domains. Machine learning skills are fundamental for working with AI technologies, as machine learning algorithms power AI applications, predictive models, and intelligent systems. Continuous learning in machine learning empowers professionals to create, train, and deploy AI models that drive innovation, optimize processes, and deliver value in diverse industry sectors. AI programming. Continuous learning in AI programming involves mastering programming languages, frameworks, and tools used in AI development, such as Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. By honing AI programming skills, professionals can design, implement, and customize AI solutions, ranging from chatbots and recommendation systems to image recognition and natural language processing applications. AI programming skills are essential for building and deploying AI systems that automate tasks, analyze data, and interact intelligently with users. Continuous learning in AI programming equips professionals with the technical proficiency needed to create AI-powered applications, interpret AI outputs, and optimize processes within their domains. Skill development through continuous learning. Continuous learning in data analysis, machine learning, and AI programming is critical for professionals looking to excel in AI-driven environments. By acquiring new skills and honing existing competencies, individuals can interpret AI outputs, understand and analyze AI-generated results to make informed decisions, optimize processes, implement AI solutions that streamline workflows and enhance operational efficiency, drive innovation, develop AI applications that drive innovation, solve complex problems, and create business value. Stay competitive, remain competitive in the job market by showcasing expertise in high-demand AI skills. Enhance problem-solving, utilize AI technologies to solve intricate challenges and drive business growth. Continuous learning in data analysis, machine learning, and AI programming empowers professionals to acquire new skills, interpret AI outputs effectively, optimize processes, and innovate within their domains, positioning them for success in AI-driven environments. Enhanced problem-solving and decision-making. Data-driven insights. AI technologies provide data-driven insights, predictive analytics, and automation capabilities to support decision-making processes. Continuous learning helps professionals interpret AI outputs, make informed decisions, and solve complex problems using AI-driven solutions. Let's explore the importance of enhanced problem-solving and decision-making through data-driven insights provided by AI technologies in the context of continuous learning. Enhanced problem-solving and decision-making with data-driven insights. AI technologies leverage data to generate valuable insights, predictive analytics, and automated decision-making capabilities. By analyzing vast datasets, AI systems can uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that provide actionable insights for professionals. Data-driven insights empower professionals to make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and optimize processes based on evidence and analysis rather than intuition or guesswork. Continuous learning enables individuals to interpret AI outputs, extract meaningful insights, and apply data-driven approaches to decision-making. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics in AI involves forecasting future trends, outcomes, and behaviors based on historical data and statistical algorithms. By utilizing predictive models, professionals can anticipate potential scenarios, identify risks, and proactively address challenges before they arise. Continuous learning equips professionals with the skills to leverage predictive analytics tools, interpret model outputs, and make data-driven predictions that inform strategic decision-making. By embracing predictive analytics, Individuals can optimize processes, mitigate risks, and drive business growth through informed insights. Automation capabilities. AI-driven automation capabilities streamline repetitive tasks, optimize workflows, and enhance operational efficiency by automating routine processes using intelligent algorithms. Automation empowers professionals to focus on strategic initiatives, innovation, and high-value tasks,